Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrendTV. I'm here with Prajesh again from Lakshmi Nissan Chennai showroom today, and I'm here with the brand new Nissan Magnite Turbo XL CVT automatic variant. The XL is the entry-level basic variant of the turbocharged lineup of the Nissan Magnite and is also incredibly feature-loaded while also being exceptionally good value for money. In this video, I'm going to take you through all the features and details of this entry-level XL CVT variant of the new Nissan Magnite compact SUV. The first impression is that this does not look like a basic variant at all. That's because even this entry-level variant does not come with blacked out door mirrors or door handles. Starting from the front, of course, you do not get LED headlamps or LED DRLs on this entry-level variant. However, you still get a silver finished skid plate and a lot of chrome detailing at the front, quite similar to the top spec variant. The headlamps and turn indicators are of course regular halogen bulbs. Unlike the most basic XE variant, this XL variant gets full-sized wheel covers for their 16-inch wheels. However, full chrome door handles are standard only on the CVT version of the XL entry-level variant. The ORVMs are finished in glossy black as against to the ebony black on the entry-level XE variant. While the regular manual XL variant does not get chrome door handles, this CVT variant alone gets full chrome door handles. Roof rails are standard across all variants of the Nissan Magnite, which can hold up to 50 kilos of weight. Apart from the roof rails, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger along with reverse parking sensors are also standard across all variants of the Nissan Magnite. Another key differentiation for the CVT XL variant is that this CVT version alone gets request sensor with smart key access while also offering push button start. These features are not available on the XL manual variant. So that was all about the exterior details of the XL CVT variant of the Nissan Magnite Turbo. Let's get inside now. Getting inside the Nissan Magnite XL CVT variant, of course you can see that the interior layout remains exactly the same as the entry-level XE variant, and it also carries forward the very same dual-tone beige and black color combination. That said, this XL variant itself brings in quite a lot of standard features, which makes this variant exceptional value for money. First of all, you can see the 2-DIN audio system which is available with Bluetooth connectivity as well, and it also offers 4 speakers which are just about decent in terms of audio quality. Next, you can see the instrument cluster, which is exactly the same unit seen on the entry-level XE variant, and this XL variant also offers steering mounted audio controls. The really good thing on the Nissan Magnite is that from the entry-level XE variant itself, you get fabric padding on the door pads, while all 4 power windows are standard across all variants. This XL variant also offers power folding and power adjustable ORVMs. Coming to the center console, you can see that this CVT variant alone gets a push button start along with smart key access. And this CVT gearbox also gets a sports mode. Moving to the right side of the steering wheel, you can see that this XL Turbo variant gets ESP traction control along with hill hold while also offering brake assist. Also, this XL entry-level variant offers automatic climate control. Getting into the back seat of the Nissan Magnite XL entry-level Turbo variant, the Nissan Magnite has always been quite a very spacious compact SUV, and this dual-tone interior provides even more airier feel. You can see that this XL variant does not get a front center armrest. However, the rear seat gets an armrest on the Turbo variants. This here is an overall look at the dashboard from the rear seat. You can see that this variant alone gets a push button start, while the manual XL variant does not. You get front and rear individual cabin lights as well. Opening the boot of the Nissan Magnite XL CVT variant, you can see that the boot space remains exactly the same at 336 liters. However, this turbocharged XL variant onwards, you get 60-40 split folding function for the rear seats, while also offering a center armrest. This facility adds flexibility to the cabin of the Nissan Magnite from the XL Turbo variant itself. Under the boot floor, you get to see the typical 15-inch steel spare wheel, which is meant only for temporary use. Let's now talk about the pricing and conclude this review. The Nissan Magnite is the most value for money and also the most affordable compact SUV in India today. Despite the overall average interior build quality, this compact SUV is very spacious, offers a good turbocharged engine with CVT automatic gearbox, while also providing surprising level of standard features. This entry-level XL variant makes a case for itself by offering almost all the essential equipment including an audio system, power folding ORVMs and push button start. In terms of safety, the Made in India Nissan Magnite seems to have scored 4 stars at the Australasian NCAP tests. And all the turbocharged variants come as standard with ESP traction control with hill hold as well. So if you are in the market for an entry-level compact SUV or a premium hatchback, you can definitely have a look at the Nissan Magnite XL variant. That's because it offers a near-perfect all-round package. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this Nissan Magnite XL CVT variant. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.